Hello guys, today we will learn how to repair a corrupt video file. There are many reasons for a file to be corrected, like you have removed your pen card or your SD card suddenly on your PC or laptop, or the device from you are you recording that video, the memory is about to full, the video may get corrupted. So today we will learn how to repair this type of video files. Okay. Let's see, first see the video. Now this is the corrected video to whom we are going to repair. Okay, as you see it's not working. Now this is the file which is recorded from the same sources, digital camera or mobile, from which you have recorded that corrupted file. It is a requirement from that software. You need a perfectly working video file which is recorded from the same software. I don't know why, but maybe the software makes up the parameters and then apply those parameters, those corrected file to make it a playable file. Okay, so I hope I got it. Okay, remember you need a perfectly working file. Okay, now you see the software. This is the software. Okay, you can see link is given in description, and it's a full version. The trial version only convert 50% file, but the full version is convert 100% corrupt video file into a playable file. I hope you know how to play it. Just double click this gs.exe file. Okay. Again, for me that link is given in description. You can download from there. So you can see English default, select any default. Okay, now this is the interface of that software. Choose movie. In choose movie, select that corrupted file. Now choose reference movie, just select the working file which has been recorded from the same device. Okay, I select this one. When I scan, it won't be take much time, only 15 to 20 seconds, maybe 30. It depends on the size of file, but this file is about to be done. So you can see it has been done. Now let's see the video. Now the file will be saved in the same location from we selected the corrected file. You can see there's a folder has been created. Now we have our file is getting shared there. Now you can see that it's working perfectly. I hope you like the video. Now this video is really going to help you. So please share and like the channel and subscribe it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye.